Okay, good evening. Abhishek Rajput, Rajesh Kumar Soni, Barona Chauhan, Akansha Gharana. Good evening. Vivek Kumar. Good evening. So, please join the class. Priya Tomar, good evening. Amit Alakude, good evening. Aparna Tibari, good evening. SK Kajal Kumari, good evening. Chandan Gupta, Sakshi Gupta, good evening. Good evening. Okay, please join the class. Charmik Korea, you are appearing for this year. Yes, Kajal Kumari, tomorrow is class. In fact, next week, all the days you have class at 4:30 p.m. Monday onwards, Monday till Friday, you have class at 4:30. Astha, good evening. 4:30 to 6:30. Manorama Raj, good evening. Charmik Korea, you are appearing for this year exam. Charmik Korea, you are appearing for this year exam. Next year, Charmik Korea, hardly 6-7 class required. Hardly 6 to 7 classes are required. And those who are appearing this year, we have done enough, and you can qualify the paper, whatever we have done till now. But those who are appearing next year, continue with the class, no issue. I will finish this in next 6-7 classes. I hope so. Monday onwards, we have class. From Monday till Friday, 4:30 to 6:30 p.m. we have class. Monday onwards, we have class. On Thursday or Friday, I will tell you about Saturday and Sunday, because on Sunday, prelims exam is there. So I will tell you about Saturday and Sunday. Divyanshu Gupta, no, I have done comprehension. That's enough. Now you practice. Mukul Gupta, you are appearing for this year or next year? If you are appearing for this year, whatever I have done till now, that is enough for qualifying this exam. But if you are appearing next year, 6-7 classes more. I hope so. 6-7 classes more. Mukul Gupta, you are appearing this year or Arvind Kumar, I have told na 6 to 7 classes. I hope so. The syllabus will be finished. 6 to 7 classes. Swati, 6 to 7 classes, I have told you. Ripu Sharma, I will tell you on Friday. I hope there will be no class on 4th October. I will tell you on Friday. Till now, concentrate for the class. Concentrate for the class. No, Anand Malla, no. I don't think so. So now I'm starting the class. Those who are appearing for this year can leave, and we have done enough by doing all the things which we have done in the class, that is enough for qualifying this paper. But all those who are appearing next year, continue with the class. Okay. So the next thing I am talking about, variation. Next, I am talking about variation. Variation, we have two things to know, that is direct variation and inverse variation. Direct variation and inverse variation. If I say direct variation, we write like this: A varies directly as B. Means the two quantity A and B have same nature. Means A increases, then B will also increase. A decreases, then B will also decrease. So we say that. A and B are in direct variation. A and B are in direct variation. Deepak Anand, concentrate in the class. First, do the classes from Monday to Friday. Why you are worrying about Saturday class? Oh, I will tell you on Friday. So A and B are two quantities who are in direct variation. Then they have same nature. A increases, then B will also increase. A decreases, then B will also decrease. Okay, and when A and B are in direct variation, then ratio of A and B will be constant. And if you make the graph of A and B, then there will be a line rising from left to right. There will be a line rising from left to right. Direct variation. For example, you know that distance equal to a speed into time. When a speed is constant, then you have from here distance by time as constant, S, which is constant, and we say that distance is directly proportional to time. Means when distance increases, time will also increase. When distance decreases, time will also decrease. Okay, Palak Chaurasia, I have just started. You can write from here or you can take the screenshot. Next is inverse variation or inverse variation. Or indirect variation. We write like this: A varies inversely as B. A varies inversely as B. It means A increases, then B will decrease. And A decreases, B must increase. So A and B have different nature. A and B have different nature. A increases, B will decrease. And A decreases, B will increase. So A and B have different nature. And in this situation, product of A and B must be constant. When product of two quantities is constant, we say that A and B are inversely proportional. And the graph will be like this. This is A, this is B, then falling line. This is the graph between A and B. For example, again I am taking the same example. Distance equal to a speed into time. When distance is constant, means a speed into time equal to distance, which is constant. And so a speed is inversely proportional to time. Means a speed increases, time will decrease. As speed decreases, time will increase to cover the same distance. To cover the same distance. So that is inverse variation. That is inverse variation. Okay. Himanshu, this is the slide which where I have started. You take the screenshot. Anush, 1-2 question. Generally, ratio proportion are used in many other chapters. Ratio and proportion, Swati. Okay. Now, try this question. I think now recordings are available. Those who have missed the class can go through the recordings. Risa Karan Sinha, correct answer. Nihal Kumar Thakur, Bhavya, not correct. Parul Patel, correct answer. Purnima Misra, Neha, Pooja Beniwal, Uttam Singh, Mitendra Kumar, not correct. Priya Haldar, correct answer. Raj Singh, yes, you are little late. Okay, wait, I am going to start a new topic, new chapter today. Just after one more question. Pranayasri, correct answer. Mitendra, not correct. Nihal Kumar Thakur, Rajesh Kumar Soni, not correct. Ashish Gorian, correct answer. Sahil Khan, not correct. Satakshi, not correct. Anuj, not correct. Swati, not correct. Bhavika Agrawal, correct answer. Aparajita Singh, not correct. Rajesh Kumar Soni, not correct. Ankita Gautam, Deepak Nair, correct answer. Akhil Meram, not correct. Vishpreet Kaur, correct answer. Deepu Sharma, not correct. Deepak Kushwaha, correct answer. Akanksha Gharana, Satakshi, Anuj, not correct. Bhavna Singh, not correct. Himanshu Upendra Darla, correct answer. Ashwani Raj, correct answer. Shivangi Sen, correct answer. Nitesh Gupta, not correct. Abhinav Raj, correct answer. Kajal Kumari, check your net connection. Kajal Kumari, check your net connection. Kajal Singh, Mitendra Kumar, correct answer. SK, not correct. Imani, yes. Correct answer. Kajal Kumari. Yes, Mohammad Mahmood, you are in the same class, same batch. Shivangi Sen, correct answer. Okay, I am telling the answer now. Answer is D delta. D delta. Answer is D delta. Please check your answer. Many answers are there now. Kiran Bharti, correct answer. Manjeet Kumar, Abhishek Rajput. See how it is D. The speed of three cars are in the ratio 2:3:4. The ratio between the time taken by these cars to travel the same distance. Okay, distance is same and you know that speed is inversely proportional to time. So ratio of speed is 2:3:4. So ratio of time will be 1/2 is to 1/3 is to 1/4. Why? Because speed is inversely proportional to time. Now take the LCM of 2, 3, 4 to get the ratio in whole number. LCM of 2, 3, 4 is 12. Multiply 12 into half, 12 into 1/3, 12 into 1/4. And so this is 6, 4 and 3. So this is the answer. Ratio between time will be 6:4:3. That is the answer. So D is the answer. Aparajita Singh, I have told you yesterday, na? Now you practice and better you practice from previous year paper like 2019, 2018. Aparajita Singh, already I have told you yesterday. That's finished. You practice now from 2019 paper, 18 paper, 17 paper. Question is this. Kajal Kumari, question is this. Okay. Try this question. Yeah, yes, Kajal Kumari, yes, yes. Swagata Sarma. Swagata Sharma, you can see, take the screenshot, be fast. Risa, correct answer. Abhinav Raj, Karan Sinha, correct answer. Akhil Meram, wait. Charmi Korea, not correct. Okay. Question. Sahil Khan, not correct. SK, not correct. Parul Patel, not correct. Charmi Korea, Priya Haldar, Purnima Misra, not correct. Rajesh Kumar Soni, Bhavna, correct answer. SK, not correct. Sanya Mitendra, Tanya Sri, not correct. MA, correct answer. Priya Haldar, correct answer. Mohini Burma, correct answer. Kajal Singh, Upendala, not correct. Udham Singh, correct answer. Mitendra, not correct. Shivangi Sen, correct answer. Kajal Kumari. And now see in the recordings. Already Himanshu, Himani, correct answer. Swamini Gupta, not correct. Anand Priyanshu, not correct. Yes, Raj Singh, I am starting just after this question. I am starting new topic. Anand Priyanshu, not correct. Deepak Nair, correct answer. Anand Priyanshu, correct answer now. Kajal, not correct. SS Dev, Parul Patel, Ravi Pandey, Bispreet Kaur, all of you have correct answer. Anand Priyanshu, correct answer. Akhil Meram, correct. Neha, not correct. Artika, correct answer. Now I am doing this question. Answer is B. Answer is B. Manjeet, correct answer. Khushbu Jindal, Neha, correct answer. So now I am doing, please concentrate. Very good, Avinav Raj. Very good. Very good, Avinav Raj. Okay, at constant temperature, pressure of a definite mass of a gas is inversely proportional to volume. That is inversely proportional to volume. If the pressure is reduced by 20%, find the respective change in volume. Okay. So pressure is inversely proportional to volume means this product will be constant. This product will be constant. Now pressure is reduced by 20%. So what is the change in volume such that product should remain constant? So please recall product constancy of percentage chapter. Recall product constancy of percentage chapter. Just use net percentages, that is zero change in product minus 20 plus V minus 20 into V by 100. V is the change in volume. Solve this. 20 volume, cancel here, 5 V minus V by 5, and this is 20. If you solve this, 5V minus V by 5, that is 4V by 5. Now 4 and 20, 4 5 job. So V is plus 25%. Means volume will increase by 25%. That is the answer. Just see from beginning. Pressure is inversely proportional to volume. So product of P and V must be constant. Pressure has been reduced by 20%. You have to find the change in volume. Since product is constant, so net percentage change must be 0. So I have used net percentage change formula. 0 equal to minus 20 plus V plus minus 20 into V by 100. Solve this. V equal to plus 25%. So volume must increase by 25%. Kunal, I am using the same thing now. I am using P into V equal to constant. Why I am using this? Because pressure is inversely proportional to volume. That's why I am using product of P and V is constant. Kunal. Okay, that's all of ratio, proportion, variation chapter. That's what required for your exam. Now I am coming to a new chapter, very important chapter nowadays. That is permutation and combination. That is permutation and combination. So I am talking about permutation and combination. Nowadays, in last 4 or 5 years, this chapter is now important because they are giving question from this chapter. So write permutation and combination. And combination. In short, we write PNC. We write PNC. In short, we write PNC. Now, see, this chapter is applied in nature. They will give you question in word form, and then you have to decide whether to use permutation or to use combination in those questions. So first try to understand the logic behind permutation and combination. What is the difference between permutation and combination? Just try to understand. No, Kajal Kumari, we will do some question of data interpretation, which are asked in your exam. We will do. So that's the part of numeracy, Kajal Kumari. Okay. So first I am talking about rule of counting. The rule of counting. In fact, there are two rules of counting. One is multiplication rule and other is addition rule of counting. So I am talking about multiplication rule and addition rule because these two rules will be used in question. First, see one example like this. Suppose P and C, permutation and combination. N denote and, Swagata Sama. So, rule of counting I am discussing. Before coming to the rule, just see one example. Suppose this is Delhi railway station, and from Delhi to Patna, there are 3 railway routes. Okay, and from Patna to Kolkata, there are 2 railway routes. Okay, someone wants to go from Delhi to Kolkata, Kolkata via Patna. How many routes are possible, or how many possible routes are there? One method is just to count the possibility, like this. Suppose someone goes from this and then the person has 2 options. Okay, someone goes through this line and the person has again 2 options from Patna. And someone goes through this line and again the person has 2 options from Patna. So there are 6 possibilities from Delhi to Kolkata via Patna. There are 6 possible routes from Delhi to Kolkata via Patna. But here we can count because only 3 and 2 possibilities are there between Delhi and Patna and Kolkata respectively. But some suppose numbers are bigger, then you cannot count. There must be some rule. See, to go from Delhi to Patna is one work, and to go from Patna to Kolkata is second work. But both the work are dependent. Why? Because second work is dependent on first. Why? Because the person is trying to go from Delhi to Kolkata via Patna. So here work 1 and this work is work I am writing 2. Going from Delhi to Patna is work 1 and from Patna to Kolkata traveling is work 2. Now you can see that work 2 is dependent on work 1. Work 2 is dependent on work 1. So we can say the 2 works are dependent. Now, since these 2 works are dependent, Delhi to Patna, there are 3 ways to do the work 1. There are 3 ways to do the work 1. And there are 2 ways to do the work 2. Now, these 2 works are dependent. So the 2 works can be done together or simultaneously in how many ways? 3 into 2 ways, that is 6 ways. So we can calculate like this. I repeat, to do work 1, we have 3 ways, and to do work 2, we have 2 ways. Work 2 is dependent on work 1, so both the work can be done simultaneously or together in 3 into 2 ways. So I have multiplied 3 and 2 here. Why I have multiplied? Because work 2 is dependent on work 1. So for dependent work, we multiply. That is basically called multiplication rule of counting. So without counting, without actual counting, you just multiply and you have the answer. If numbers are big, no issue, you can multiply and you can get the answer. So I am writing here multiplication rule. Multiplication rule of counting. Right? If a work is done in M ways and another work are dependent on, I am writing dependent on first, dependent on first, and another work is done in N ways. Please note dependent on first. Then both the work can be done together in M into N ways. So please note M into N, I am multiplying. That is the rule. If a work is done in M way and another work is done, another work that is dependent on first is done in N ways, then both the work can be done together in M into N ways. So I have multiplied. Same thing I have done here, 3 into 2, you can see. Now, this can be extended for 3 work or 4 work or 5 work or any number of work, but provided those works should be dependent. Those works should be dependent. Suppose there is a third work. There is a third work dependent on the first 2, which can be done in P ways. Then all the 3 work can be done together in how many ways? M into N into P ways. So you can extend like this. Obviously, you have to note here, third work is dependent on the earlier 2 work. So the 3 work can be done together in M into N into P ways. So please write, this is multiplication rule of counting. Multiplication rule of counting. Next, I am talking about addition rule. Same example I am taking. Suppose this is Delhi, Patna, Kolkata. 3 railway routes from Delhi to Patna and 2 railway routes from Patna to Kolkata. And also from Patna to Ahmedabad. There are 3 railway routes. Okay, there are 3 railway routes. Now, someone wants to go to either Kolkata or Ahmedabad via Patna from Delhi. someone wants to go to either Kolkata or Ahmedabad via Patna from Delhi, in how many ways he or she can go? In how many ways he or she can go? Oh, Himanshu and Geetika Shetty, please wait. Just take the screenshot. Be fast. Be fast. Udham Singh, correct answer. Deepak Kushwaha, Mitendra, correct one. Akanksha Rana, no, not correct. So what don't give me the answer. What I am trying to say here. See, the person can, suppose the person is going to Kolkata. The person cannot go to Ahmedabad. Or suppose the person is going to Ahmedabad via Patna. The person cannot go to Kolkata. Means going to Kolkata and going to Ahmedabad via Patna, both the work are independent one. I repeat, going to Kolkata via Patna and going to Ahmedabad via Patna, both the work are independent. Independent means someone wants to go to Kolkata, then the person cannot go to Ahmedabad. And someone wants to go to Ahmedabad via Patna, the person cannot go to Kolkata. So only one of the two work can be done at a time. The two work cannot be done together. I repeat again. What is the question? Someone wants to go to either Kolkata or Ahmedabad via Patna from Delhi. The person decides to go to Kolkata. Okay. Then going to Ahmedabad is not possible. And the person decides to go to Ahmedabad, then going to Kolkata is not possible. Going to Kolkata is not possible. So going to Ahmedabad and going to Kolkata are independent work. If one work is done, other cannot be done. Be clear. If one work is done, other cannot be done. Mutually exclusive work, you can say. Going to Kolkata and going to Ahmedabad are mutually exclusive work. Now, how we can find this? See, Delhi to Kolkata, I'm writing here, Delhi to Kolkata via Patna, via Patna. Just use multiplication rule, 3 into 2. So I'm writing here 3 into 2, that is 6 ways. And Delhi to Ahmedabad via Patna. See, Delhi to Patna 3 way, Patna to Ahmedabad 3 way. So we will write 3 into 3, 9 ways are possible. Now going to Kolkata or Ahmedabad, the two work are independent. So you have to add 6 plus 9, 15 ways are possible. So here I have put plus sign. Why? Because going to Kolkata and going to Ahmedabad are mutually exclusive work. So I am writing here addition rule. I am writing here addition rule. Addition rule of counting. भाई राज सिंह, अगर इतनी बार रिपीट करूंगा तो कैसे पॉसिबल है भाई? हाँ, मेरी जगह आके तो देखो, सब लोग डिमांड करते हैं कि सर रिपीट कर दीजिए, रिपीट। तो पता चला कि मैं 2 ही पेज पढ़ा रहा हूँ पूरी क्लास में। ठीक है, तो क्या कर सकते हैं बताएं? जितना पॉसिबल होता है, आई रिपीट द थिंग्स। Mukul Gupta, technically 6 ways. Why you think otherwise only? Always you think otherwise. Technically, how 5 ways? You have just added 3 plus 2, 5 ways. I have explained already. Where was your concentration? Suppose someone takes this route, then the person has 2 possibilities. Now suppose the person takes this route, then again the person has 2 possibilities. The 2 plus 2, 4. And when the person takes this route, again the person has 2 possibilities. So 4 plus 2, 6 possibilities. So how many possibilities? 6 possibilities. So I am writing addition rule. If a work is done in M ways and another work independent I am writing from the first is done in N ways, then both the work can be done together in M plus N ways. Please note M plus N and independent. Note this. Independent and M plus N, note this. Independent means mutually exclusive. Means one work is done, then second work cannot be done. If second work is done, first work cannot be done. Okay. Now suppose there is a third work. You can extend the concept, third work, independent from the first two work. Third work is done in P ways. Then the 3 work can be done together in M plus N plus P ways. You can add like this. You can add like this. You can add like this. Now, I'm giving you some example where you can understand this dependent work and independent work. Dependent work and independent work. Always remember, when 2 works are dependent, then both the works can be done together. If 2 works are independent, then only one work can be done, other work cannot be done together. Like here, if I see, you see from beginning, here I have written Delhi to Patna work 1 and Patna to Kolkata work 2. I have written here. Now someone wants to go from Delhi to Kolkata via Patna. Obviously, work 2 will be dependent on work 1. Work 2 will be dependent on work 1 because first work 1 will be done, then work 2 will be done. Without work 1, work 2 cannot be done. So work 2 is dependent on or work 1. That's why I have multiplied. Work 1 can be done in 3 ways, work 2 can be done in 2 ways, and I have multiplied 3 into 2, 6 ways. So both the work can be done in 3 into 2, 6 ways. Now in this example, see, Delhi to Kolkata, 1 work, Delhi to Ahmedabad, 2nd work. Now work 1 is done, then work 2 cannot be done. And when work 2 is done, work 1 cannot be done. Means work 1 and work 2 are mutually exclusive. Delhi to Kolkata work 1, Delhi to Ahmedabad, work 2. When work 1 is done, work 2 cannot be done. And when work 2 is done, work 1 cannot be done. So work 1 and work 2 are independent work, mutually exclusive work. Exclusive work, mutually exclusive work. What means doing one work exclude the doing of work second, or doing work 2 exclude the doing of work 2. So when the two works are mutually exclusive, then we add. The two works can be done together. Then you have to add the number of wage. You have to add the number of wage. That's what I have written here. Now, how these two concepts is used, just see. In fact, multiplication is used repeatedly. Multiplication rule is used repeatedly. For example, I am giving you one example. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 digits are there. And question is, how many 3-digit numbers can be formed using these digits. First, without repetition. Second, with repetition. I am doing this question, just try to understand. I am doing this question, just try to understand. First, without repetition means without repeating the digit. Second, with repetition means repetition allowed, you can repeat the digit. How this can be done? You have 6 digits and you have to make 3-digit number. Now see how multiplication rule can be used. Just see, of 1, 2, and 3 boxes I am making. One box for each digit. This is hundredths digit, this is tenths digit, and this is unit digit. So you can think like work 1, this is work 1, this is work 2, this is work 3. So we have to done work 1, work 2, and work 3. All the works are dependent. Why dependent? Because we have to make 3-digit number. For doing work 1, you can start from any work. Answer will be same. So I am starting from work 1. For doing work 1, we have 6 ways. You can take either 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6. So work 1 can be done in how many ways? 6 ways. Repetition is not allowed in first possibility. I am doing first part. So for doing work 2, we have only 5 ways. Why 5 ways? Because 1 digit has been written here. Now, suppose we are done with work 2. To fill this third or to do work 3, we have 4 ways because repetition is not allowed. All the 3 works are dependent. Why? We are making a 3-digit number. So the 3 works can be done in how many ways? 6 into 5 into 4, and that is 120 ways. Means 120 3-digit number can be formed using these digits without repetition. And B part with repetition, you can see with repetition. With repetition, now you can fill the first one in 6 ways. The first work can be done in 6 ways. Now, whatever the digit is here, same will be repeated here because repetition is allowed. Again, to fill second box, we have 6 ways. Again, the same digit can be repeated here also. So, third work can be done in 6 ways. But we are making a 3-digit number. All the works are dependent. So, the 3 work can be done together in 6 into 6 into 6 way. That is 216 way. When repetition is allowed, 216 three-digit number can be formed using these digits. So that is the way to do this question. You can see from beginning. This is the question. रुचि कुमारी 5 वेज नहीं समझ में आया। रुचि कुमारी ऐसा है, पहले वर्क को करने के लिए तुम्हारे पास 6 डिजिट है, 1 2 3 4 5 6। कोई भी यहाँ लिख सकते हो क्योंकि रिपीटेशन अलाउड नहीं है। तो पहला डिजिट यहाँ लिख लिए हो तो सेकंड वर्क मतलब सेकंड फिल करने के लिए तुम्हारे पास 5 ही डिजिट है, ठीक है। और तीसरा करने के लिए क्योंकि 2 डिजिट ऑलरेडी लिख लिया गया है तो 4 ही डिजिट बचेगा, तो 4 में से कोई एक वर्क 3 में आएगा तो 4 वेज होगा। आई होप समझ में आया होगा। बिकॉज ऑल दी 3 वर्क्स आर डिपेंडेंट, सो 3 वर्क्स कैन बी डन टुगेदर इन 6 into 5 into 4 वेज। रुचि कुमारी, मीना, this is the previous slide. Saloni Rai, this is the problem with internet, and generally you people watch through mobile. Yes, Aparajita Singh, yes. SS Dev, you will understand after doing some question. You will understand after doing some question. I have tried to explain, but we'll do some more question. We'll understand. You will understand. Mona Gupta, I have explained now. Deepu Sharma, why you are jumping? I have not come to NCR formula or NPR formula. That's the problem with you people. You try to mug up the formula, you don't try to understand the logic. And then you don't do the questions. UPSC will not ask you such question where only formula can be used. Why don't you understand the logic behind your exam? I have not come to NPR or NCR formula yet. Just try to concentrate on multiplication rule and addition rule for now. Nitesh Gupta, wait. Wait, Vivek Kumar, wait. Nitesh Gupta, Mona Gupta, I have repeated 6 into 5 into 4 ways. See, you have 6 digits to fill these boxes. Now, first box can be filled in 6 ways. You can take any one digit out of 6. Since repetition is not allowed, for second box you have only 5 digits. So 5 way there to fill second box. Been written. Now to fill third box you have only 4 digits. So 4 way to fill. Since we are making 3-digit numbers, so the 3 work are dependent work. Now second one, repetition allowed. Repetition allowed means the first work can be done in 6 ways. Second work can be done in 6 ways because you can write any digit. Whatever you write here, that can be written here also. That can be written here also. So to fill each box, you have 6 digits, you have 6 options. So 6 ways to fill each of the boxes. Because we are making 3-digit number, all these 3 works are dependent. Because work 2 is dependent on work 1, work 3 is dependent on work 1 and work 2. So I have used here multiplication rule. Artika, no issue in that way. If there are 50 digits, we'll use permutation formula. I will discuss. No issue. I will discuss. Now, for addition rule, I am giving you one more example. Just concentrate. For addition rule, I am giving one more example. Suppose in a class, 5 boys and 5 girls are there. To make a group of 5 students having at least one girl. To make a group of 5 students having at least one girl. How many possibilities? I am writing here boys, I am writing here girls. Since we are making a group of 5 students, so if you in one committee, there must be at least one girl. If you are taking 3 boys, 2 girls must be there. If you are taking 2 boys, 3 girls must be there. And if you are taking 1 boy, 4 girls must be there. And if you are taking 0 boy, 5 girls must be there. Now, if you do this possibility, the first possibility, you cannot do second, third, fourth, or fifth. You cannot do. So, first work is independent from other choices. If you do second work, you cannot do first, third, fourth, and fifth. So, second work is independent from others. Similarly, you can think for third work. Similarly, you can think for fourth work. Similarly, you can think for fifth work. So, all these 3 work, this is work 1, this is work 2, this is work 3, this is work 4, this is work 5. All these works are independent. If you are doing work 1, you cannot do work 2 or work 3 or work 4 or work 5. If you are doing work 2, you cannot do work 1, work 3, work 4, work 5. Means all these 3 works are independent. Question, you have to add number of ways in which work 1 can be done will be added to number of ways in which work 2 can be done. Added to this when number of ways in which work 3 can be done. Again added to work 4, again added to work 5. Okay, I hope Vivek, now you understand. So work 1, work 2, work 3, work 5 are independent in this exam. Vivek Kumar, I hope you understand the addition rule. For doing this question, you need to have a combination. So we'll do this question when combination will be done. Okay. Okay. So moving further, I am giving you another question. Because SK in the question, what is the question? To make a group of 5 students having at least one girl. So you have to take all the possibilities. You have to take all the possibilities. SK. You have to take all the possibility. Okay, moving further, I am giving the question. Question is again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, Satakshi, all the possibilities are there. At least one girl means one girl or two girl or three girl or four girl or five girl. So all these possibilities are there, Satakshi. So now concentrate on this question. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these 6 digits are there. Now question is how many 3-digit even number, how many 3-digit even number can be formed using these digits? First, without repetition. Second, with repetition. Please see this even number. Please show the previous slide again. Why, Nancy? So many times I am going back to previous slide. Escape. When doing question like that, which I have just discussed, you have to make all the possibility. You have to make all the possibility. Then you have to add. See the previous slide, Nancy. Okay, this is the previous slide. Risa, your answer is correct. Akshit Rohila, your answer is correct. Kajal Singh, not correct. Upendarla, your second answer is correct. Anush, Mitendra, your answer is not correct. Kajal, not correct. Mitendra, your second answer is correct. Karan Sinha, Chanda, what you are writing, I don't understand. Tanya Sri, your second answer is correct. Kajal, your answer is correct. Prithugal, not correct. Priya Haldar, not correct. Risa, correct answer. Anjali Raj, not correct. Deepak Nair, correct answer. Mitendra, your second answer is correct. Deepak Nair, your second answer is correct. Akanksha Gharana, correct answer. Neha, your second answer is correct. Ayush Maurya, your second answer is correct. Shivangi Sen, correct answer. Pooja Beniwal, correct answer. Satya Kumari, Rajesh Kumar Soni, not correct. Satakshi, correct answer. Palak Chaurasia, correct answer. Astha, your second answer is correct. Akanksha Gharana, correct answer. Priti Sharma, Himanshu, not correct. Okay, many answers are there now. Many answers are there now. I'm telling the answer. First is 60 and second is 108. I'm telling you answer. Answer of A is 60 and answer of B is 108. Answer of A is 60, answer of B is 108. Now I am doing this question, just see A part. 3-digit number, so I am making 3 boxes. Since the number is even, means unit digit must be even. You must be knowing this. Number is even means unit digit must be even. Now out of the digit, you can see 2, 4 and 6 is even. So to fill this unit digit, you have only 3 options. Only 3 ways. Why? Either 2 or 4 or 6 you can write in this unit digit box. Now repetition is not allowed. So one digit is written here. That digit will not be written in this box or this box. So for this box you have 5 ways. And for this box, because 2 digits have been written, for this box you have 4 ways. So all the 3 works together, because all the 3 works are dependent. So 4 into 5 into 3, 60 ways. So 63 digit number, even number can be formed using these digits without repetition. When repetition is there, to fill the unit digit, you have only 3 ways. Again, either 2 or 4 or 6. Now repetition is allowed. Whatever you have written here, same thing written here and here also. So to fill this, you have 6 ways. You can write any digit here. You can write any digit here. 6 ways. All the 3 work together. Dependent works because we are making 3-digit number. So 6 into 6 into 3, that is 108. So when repetition is allowed, 108 3-digit even number can be formed. Because Vibhuti, if you fill this unit digit and this tens digit, you have only 4 digits now. So to fill 100 digit, you have only 4 ways. Repetition is not allowed. I repeat, Chandan Gupta again. You have filled unit digit, you have filled this 10 digit. 2 digits have been used. So you have only 4 digits possible. Na? So to fill this 100 digit, you have 4 ways. That's Manjit Kumar, that's why to fill unit digit, you have 3 ways. Manjit Kumar, just to fill unit digit, you have only 3 ways. You can write 2 or 4 or 6 in place of unit digit. Manjit Kumar. Kajal Singh, we are making even number, so the unit digit must be even. So either 2 or 4 or 6. So 3 ways to fill unit digit. Now 1 digit have been written in this unit digit. So you have 5 digits to fill 10 digits. So 5 ways. Now 2 digits have been used. So for filling 100 digits, you have 4 digits possible. So 4 ways. All the 3 work together. 4 into 5 into 3, 60. Charmi Korea, if you have used 1 digit for the unit digit, then you have only 5 digits left. So to fill 10 digits, you have only 5 digits possible. That's why there are 5 ways to fill this 10 digit. Yes, Mukul Gupta, all of the chapters are there. Sunil Ulke, if you do through any other method, answer will be same. But in all the method, first you have to fill unit digit because you are making even number. So first you fill unit digit. Then after that you fill hundreds or tens, no problem. We are studying permutation and combination. Okay. Now I am giving you another question. How 3? Swagata Sama. To make even number, unit digit must be even. So out of the digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, you have 3 even digits, 2, 4 or 6. So out of 2, 4 or 6, you have to fill this unit digit place. So only 3 ways, Swakta Sama. Either you can fill 2 or 4 or 6 in the place of unit digit. That's why 3 ways. Okay. Vivek Kumar. If you have filled unit digit, 1 digit has been used. So out of 6, only 5 digits are left. So to fill 10 digits, you have to use one of those 5 digits. So 5 ways. Now 2 digits have been exhausted for filling unit digit and 10 digits. So to fill 100 digits, you have only 4 digits left. So 4 ways to fill 100 digits. Okay, I am giving the question. One more question. Try this question. Try to think over this question. See, this chapter is applied one. I have told you in the beginning. So first you have to think, then you will solve. There is no formula to do all the question. You have to think, then you have to apply multiplication rule or addition rule, depending on question. Abhishek Rajput, Risa, correct answer. Priya Haldar, not correct. Shivangi Sen, Palak Chaurasia, correct answer. Akansha Gharana, Deepak Nair, Nandini Raj, correct answer. Chahat Smriti, Pooja Beniwal, not correct. Akansha Gharana, correct answer. M.A. Bhavna, correct answer. Astha, not correct. Sahil Khan, not correct. Vishwapreet Kaur, not correct. Bhavika Agrawal, Himanshu, Bhavna, correct answer. Kirti Goyal, correct answer. Tanya Sri, not correct. Imani yes. Purnima Misra, correct answer. Mitendra Kumar, Rajesh Kumar Soni, not correct. Asuni S. Krishna, correct answer. Chanda, not correct. Mitendra, not correct. Himanshu, correct answer. Okay, so many answers are there now. I am giving you the answer. Just check your answer. Answer is B. Answer is B. Kajal, Nitish, Shivani Sharma, Anand Priyanshu, all of you have correct answer. SK, not correct. Astha, correct answer. Tanya Sri, correct answer. Preeti Sharma, correct answer. Manjeet, correct answer. SK, wait. Now, see, here you have how many digits? 8 digits. How many numbers between 2000 and 3000 can be formed with the digits 0 till 7? Repetition of digits not allowed. Okay. So Obviously, between 2000 and 3000, you have 4-digit number. So I am making 4 boxes. Now, between 2000 and 3000, always 1000 digit will be 2. That is fixed. That is fixed. So there is only one way to fill this 1000 digit, because between 2000 and 3000 you have only a 2 as the digit at 1000 place. Okay. Now to fill this one, how many digits are there? 8 digits. 1 digit 2 has been used in thousands place. To fill this 100 place, you have 7 ways. 7 digits are there. You can use any one because repetition is not allowed. To fill this tens place, you have only 6 digits now. So there are 6 ways to fill. And to fill this unit digit, you have only 5 digits now. So there are 5 ways to fill this unit digit. Now you are making a 4-digit number. All these works are dependent. So these 3 works can be done together in 1 into 7 into 6 into 5. That is 210. So answer is 210 such numbers can be formed without repetition. I hope you understand this. See, problem is that these chapters are there in school. In fact, 9th or 10th. And all of you have studied till 10th this maths one. And some basics are there. Some basics are there. Some basics are there. And I think you have not gone through those basics in your school day properly. That's why you are facing so much of problems. And I am also facing so much of problem to explain the things because that basic is not there. That basic is not there. Problem is that. Okay, Meena, Sweta Gupta, Mukul Gupta, how 2 is reserved for 1000 place? Hi, if you are writing numbers between 2000 and 3000 at 1000 place, like this 2, 4, 6, 7. 2 is there, 2, 5, 8, 9. 2 is there, 2, 9, 8, 7. 2 is there. So always 2 will be there at 1000 place. So always 2 is there at 1000 place. Okay. That's why 2 is fixed for 1000 place. Now Meena, see 0 till 7, 8 digits are there. And you have to make number between 2000 and 3000. So the number will be 4-digit number. First thing you understand this. Number will be of 4 digits. First understand this. Second, at 1000 place, always 2 will be there. Because we are making number between 2000 and 3000. That's why in 1000 place, I have fixed 2. So there is only one way to fill this 1000 place. So I have written one way. Total 8 digits are there. Repetition not allowed. So to fill second box, you have 7 digits. So you have 7 options. So to fill 100 digits, you have 7 ways. Now after filling this 100 place, you have 6 digits now. So 6 ways to fill this 10th place. Now after filling 10th place, you have 5 digits now. So to fill this unit digit, you have 5 ways. All the work together you have to do. So I have used multiplication rule, 1 into 7 into 6 into 5, that is 210 ways. Yes, Muhammad Mahmood. Deepa Power, have patience. This is a very simple question. You have to make 2 possibility. One is 3-digit number and second is 1000. So fix 8 at the unit place and then try to solve. After some time you ask this question, I will do. After some time you ask this question. No new concept, just I have Rajneesh Kumar, just I have explained two rule of counting, multiplication rule of counting and addition rule of counting. Mukul Gupta, if repetition is allowed, then you have to write for this 100 place 8 way, for tens place 8 way, and for unit place 8 way. Okay, try another question. Try this question. Try this question. Correct answer, Karan Sinha, Risa, correct answer. Nandini Raj, correct answer. Nitendra Kumar, not correct. Sahil Khan, correct answer. Kajal, correct answer. Astha Palak Chaurasia, correct answer. Ruchika Mohta, Harshit Misra, Parul Patel, correct answer. Ayush Maurya, Bhavna, Avinav Raj, Nitesh Gupta, Deepak Nair, Shivani Sharma, Tanya Sri, all of you have got correct answer. Nitendra Kumar, your answer is not correct. Kajal Kumari, what is your answer? What you have written? Rasini Topno, your answer is correct. Rajesh Kumar Soni, your answer is correct. Preeti Sharma, your answer is correct. Sudhir Kumar, your answer is correct. Bhavika Agrawal, correct answer. Purnima Misra, not correct. Kunal, Kajal Kumari, correct answer. Pooja Beniwal, correct. Priya Haldar, not correct. Satakshi, Aswari Raj, Pooja Sharma, Yogesh Kumar, Ansika, Nitesh Gupta, Bhavya, Bhavna, Naveen Kaul, Bishdut Kumar, all of you have got correct answer. Rosni, Mitendra, now you have got correct answer. Salini Gupta, not correct. Okay, so now many answers are there. Oh, good. So much answers are there. Hundreds of answers are there. Okay, very good. Most of you have got correct answer. So answer is this B. Please check your answer now. I cannot take all the names now. So please check your answer. So many answers, Abhishek Rajput. So I have not seen. Hundreds of answers are there. So 120 is the answer. Now I am doing this question for those students who have not done. In how many ways can the letters of the word Delhi be arranged? Now, in Delhi you have D, L, E, H, and I. Okay. So 5 letters. You make 5 boxes. So for filling this first box, you have 5 choices. You can take any one. So 5 ways. For filling this box, you have 4. For filling this box, you have 3. For filling this box, you have 2 letters. And for filling this box, you have 1 letter. All the work together. So 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. And that is, sorry, 120. So 120 is the answer. So 120 word can be formed using the letters of Delhi. Using the letters of Delhi. This is the answer. Okay. Moving to next question. Yes, Mukul Gupta, yes, no issue. Now, try this question. Nandini Raj, correct answer. Karan Sinha, not correct. Risa, correct answer. Kirti Goyal, not correct. Rajneesh Kumar, correct answer. Abhinav Raj, not correct. Sahil Khan, not correct. Abhilasa Annu, correct answer. Rajneesh Kumar, not correct. Sorry, Rajneesh Kumar, yes, Rajneesh Kumar, not correct. Shivani Sharma, correct answer. Mansi Chauhan, not correct. Deepak Nair, Yogesh Kumar, correct answer. Bhavya, correct answer. Akash Keshav, correct answer. Rajneesh Kumar, your answer is not correct. Sahil Khan, correct answer. Rajesh Kumar Soni, Anuj, Divyanshu Gupta, not correct answer. Shivangi Sen, Ayush Maurya, correct answer. Ankita Kumari, not correct. Astha, Ayush Maurya, correct answer. Ansika M.A., not correct. Khushbu Jindal, correct answer. Abhishek Rajput, correct answer. Nitesh Gupta, correct answer. Deepu Sharma, not correct. Kajal Kumari, not correct. Shivangi Sen, not correct. Sakshi Argorke, not correct. Nitesh Gupta, correct answer. Sania Anand Priyanshu, correct answer. Rajneesh Kumar, not correct. I have told you that. Sudhir Kumar, Chas Smriti, Kajal Singh, not correct. Oh, many answers are there. Okay, okay. So many answers. Kiran Bharti, correct answer. Satakshi, correct answer. Okay, I am telling the answer now. Deepu Sharma, correct answer. Muhammad Mahmood, correct answer. So answer is C. Please check your answer. Please check your answer. Answer is C. Question is a captain and a vice captain. Okay, I have not seen this. A captain and a vice captain are to be chosen out of a team having 11 players. How many ways are there to achieve this? See, a captain and a vice captain. So this is captain and this is vice captain. Okay, now we have 11 players. So to choose a captain, we have 11 options, 11 ways. You can choose a player out of 11 to be captain. Now to choose vice captain, one captain is chosen. Now we have only 10 options to choose vice captain. So to fill the box of vice captain, we have 10 ways. And that's why the two works are dependent, because we have to choose captain and vice captain both. And after choosing captain, we will choose vice captain. And therefore, this can be done in 11 into 10 ways. 110 is the answer. So 110 ways are there to choose a captain and a vice captain. So 110 is the answer. 110 is the answer. $110 is the answer. Next question. this question. Lisa, correct answer. Satakshi, Rajneesh, correct answer. Tanya Sri, correct answer. Palak Chaurasia, not correct. Kunal, Achal Jaiswal, correct answer. Khushbu Jindal, not correct. Charmi Korea, correct answer. Kiran Bharti, not correct. Mitendra, correct answer. Kajal Singh, Sahil Khan, not correct. Abhishek Rajput, correct answer. Neha, Karan Sinha, correct answer. Rajesh Kumar Soni, Chahat Smriti, Anand Priyansu, correct answer. Bhavya, correct answer. Shivani Sharma, correct answer. MA, see the last slide. See the last slide. Priya Haldar, Sania, Khania Shivangi, Astha, Akanksha Gharana. All of you have got correct answer. Kajal, Himanshu, Jaya Singh, Abhishek Rajput. All of you have got correct answer. Harshit Misra, not correct. MD Muhammad Asfar, Himanshu, correct answer. Akanksha Gharana, correct answer. Anuj. Rituraj Yadav, correct answer. Akanksha Gharana, Ashwini S. Krishna, correct answer. Parul Patel, not correct. Imani S, correct answer. Ashwini Raj, correct answer. So many answers are there now. Oh, many answers are there now. Chandan Gupta, correct answer. See, answer is 20. Please check your answer. Answer is 20. What is the question? There are 5 type of envelope and 4 type of stamp in a post office. How many ways are there to buy an envelope and a stamp? So this box is for envelope and this box is for stamp. So there are 5 type of envelope. So out of 5, only one envelope is to be purchased. So 5 ways are there. And there are 4 type of a stamp. So to purchase one stamp, there are 4 ways. Out of 4, any one stamp can be purchased according to your question. 4 ways. So both the work can be done together in 5 into 4 ways. That is 20. So answer is 20. This is the answer. This is the answer. Okay, now I am coming to the definition of permutation and combination, and Muhammad Mahmood, no, dependent how many ways are there to buy an envelope and a stamp, because both work have to be done. Both work have to be done together. It is not like that buying an envelope means not buying a stamp, or buying a stamp means not buying envelope. That's not there in the question. To buy an envelope and a stamp together. Muhammad Mahmood. Artika, to buy one envelope out of 5 ways, and to buy one stamp out of 4, there are 4 ways. Both the work together, 5 into 4, that is 20. Okay. Now I am coming to definition of Rajnish Kumar. Please remind me in the last. Okay, now I am coming to definition of permutation and combination. First, I hope you know factorial notation. Those who don't know, just see. Factorial we write like this, factorial 5 or like this. This is the notation. And factorial 5 means product of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So you have to write the product from 5 till 1. Factorial 4, or you can write like this. This is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Or you can write this as 4 into factorial 3. You can write. Or you can write 4 into 3 into factorial 2. Here you can write 5 into factorial 4. Or 5 into 4 into factorial 3. You can write like this. Factorial 0 is considered as 1. This is by convention. To do the calculation, we take factorial 0 as 1. Factorial 0 as 1. Factorial of negative number is not defined. Factorial of negative number is not defined. Factorial of negative number is not defined. Now I am talking about permutation and combination. Try to understand the difference. Try to understand the difference. So I am writing here permutation versus combination with one example. Suppose you have 3 digits, 2, 3 and 5. And we have to make 2-digit number out of these 3 digits. So you can make like this: 23, 32, just 23, 32, 35, 53, 52, 25. So 2-digit number out of these 3 digits. How many numbers are there? You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers are there. Now, if you consider these digits as object, now see, here 2 is written first, 3 second. Here 3 is written first, 2 is written second. Both the number are different. So here arrangement of object matter. Arrangement of object matter or placing of object matter. Similarly, in 35 and 53, see the placement of object 3 and 5. Here 3 is first, 5 is second. Here 5 is second, 5 is first, 3 is second. So the two numbers are different. Means arrangement of digits are mattering here. Arrangement of digits matter here. Similarly, in 52 and 25, 5 first, here 5 second, here 2 second, here 2 first. So these two numbers are different. Means arrangement of object where order of object matter for each arrangement, we say these are permutation of object. We say these are permutation of object. Okay. So number of arrangement, second name for arrangement is permutation. Number of arrangement of 2 objects out of 3 objects. How many? 6. You can see here 6 arrangements are possible. So in arrangement, or you can write in permutation, order of object matter. Order of object matter, because order changes, arrangement changes. So order of object matter. In permutation, order of objects matter. Now suppose you are making a group of two objects or two digits out of these three digits. I'm calling digit as object because generally we call object. So we are making a group of two digits, or you can say two objects out of these three objects. So you can make group like this 2, 3. You write 2, 3 or 3, 2. Group is same. So here order does not matter. Order of object does not matter here. Now you select 3 and 5. Now you write 3, 5 or 5, 3. Group is same. Order does not matter. Order of object does not matter here. And third group could be 2 and 5. You write 2, 5 or 5, 2. Group is same. So order of object do not matter. So here we are selecting object where order of object do not matter. This selection is called combination. So I am writing here number of selection or combination of two objects out of three objects can be done in how many ways? 3 ways. You can say here 1, 2, 3. So this is 3. Here order of objects does not matter. Does not matter. So in combination we are making selection where order of object does not matter. Here we are making selection. In combination means we are selecting. So number of selection or number of combination of two objects. We are making a group of two objects out of three objects, and that can be done in 3 ways. Here order of object does not matter. So two things always remember. Permutation means arrangement. Permutation means arrangement of objects where order of objects does matter. Matter means a different order will give you different arrangement. In combination, combination means selection of groups where order of object does not matter. You write in any order, group will be same. You write in any order, group will be same. So that is the basic difference. Permutation means arrangement where order of object does matter. Combination means selection of groups where order of object does not matter. I hope you understand this. Please take the screenshot. SK, which slide you are asking for? SK, which slide you are asking for? Okay, okay. This is factorial. Chandan Gupta, this is not the proper example. This is not the proper example. Okay, now, one thing I want to make clear here that is very important. See, when you are arranging two objects out of three, what you are doing? We are doing 2 steps. First, we do the selection, then we are arranging. First, we select 2 and 3, and then we are arranging 2 and 3. Similarly, first we are selecting 3 and 5, then we are arranging. Again, we are selecting 2 and 5, then we are arranging. Means, while arranging, first we do the combination, then we arrange the object. I repeat, while arranging, we do first step, and that step is to make a selection of group. After that, we are arranging those objects. We are arranging those objects. Means Permutation comes after combination. I repeat, permutation comes after combination. First we make selection, then we make arrangement. First we make selection, means we make combination, then we do arrangement. So this is very important. First we select the object, then we arrange. So in that way you can say arrangement comes after combination. I hope you understand this. Now I am telling you the formula for permutation. I am telling you the formula for permutation. Just a minute. Formula for combination and permutation. See, first I am telling you formula for permutation. You will derive the formula for combination from permutation itself. I am deriving. Why I am deriving? Just to make you understand. I can write the formula, but that's not of use for you. So I am deriving only in two steps. Suppose n different objects are there, and we have to arrange R object out of these. We have to arrange R object out of these. So what you do? Different, please note, different object. Out of n different object, we are arranging R object. How many arrangements are possible? How many arrangements, or you can write permutation, are possible? See, for R object, I am making R boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, till Rth box. I am using multiplication rule for counting. Formula of permutation. Now, for first box, we have n option because n different objects are there. So to fill first box, we have n ways. And to fill second box, we have n minus 1 way because one object has been written in first box. For filling third box, we have n minus 2 ways. For filling fourth box, we have n minus 3 ways. Continue like this. For filling rth box, we have n minus r minus 1 option. Why I have written r minus 1? See, for second I have written 1, for third I have written 2, for fourth I have written 3. So for rth, this is r minus 1. Now doing all the work together, because these are dependent work, because we are arranging r object. So this can be done in n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 till n minus r minus 1. So this is the number of arrangement possible. This is the number of arrangement possible, or number of permutation possible. Number of permutation of R object out of n object. This is there. So this is the answer, which we have been doing in the last few examples, which we have been doing. Now, this relation can be expressed in terms of factorial also. We know that factorial n is n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 till n minus r minus 1, n minus r. We can move like this, continue like this, 3 into 2 into 1. This is factorial n. Okay. Now I am just expressing this in factorial. See, n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 till n minus r minus 1 there. Now To make it factorial n, what you have to multiply? N minus r, continue till 3 into 2 into 1. We have to multiply on our own. Since we are multiplying, we have to divide also by same factors n minus r till 3 into 2 into 1. So this product has been expressed like this. Now this is in factorial notation. You can express the numerator can be written as factorial n and denominator can be written as factorial n minus r. And this is the formula for NPR. NPR means number of permutation or arrangement of R object out of N object. Out of N objects. Number of permutation of R object out of N object, that is denoted by NPR, and formula for NPR is factorial n by factorial n minus r. So this is the formula. Please write. Second last step, I have tried to convert this product into factorial. So to make this factorial n, what are the missing factor? N minus r till 3 into 2 into 1. So I have multiplied in numerator and I have also divided by the same factor in denominator. And so numerator is factorial n, denominator is factorial n minus r. So NPR is factorial n by factorial n minus r. And NPR is what? Number of permutation of R object out of N object. No, Kajal Kumari, just remember the formula. I have tried to explain how multiplication rule has been used to get this formula. Take the screenshot. Now, suppose I am giving you 1 2 examples here. Example is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 digits are there, and we have to make 2-digit number out of these digits. And we know that while making a 2-digit number, order of digit matter. So we have to apply permutation. We are given 5 objects. Out of that, you have to arrange 2 digits. So we'll write 5p2. Number of arrangement will be 5p2. And if you solve factorial 5 factorial 5 minus 2, because here n is 5 and r is 2. So this is factorial 5 by factorial 3, and solve this. Factorial 5 you can write as 5 into 4 into factorial 3. Factorial 3 here, cancel, you have 20. So answer is 20. Answer is 20. Priya, I have already shown the previous slide. So I have used here permutation. But you have to decide here for making 2D number, arrangement is there, order of object matter, so I have used permutation. Priya, you can take the screenshot. So thank you for today's class. I will continue this tomorrow at 4:30. Factorial, I already have written Chandan Gupta. I have written in the beginning. Okay, Kunal. Thank you for today. I will continue this tomorrow at 4:30. Yes, Mukul Gupta. Okay, thank you. Wait, Rajesh Kumar. Wait, Rajesh Kumar. Okay, thank you, Anjali Raj. Yeah, yes, Kripa Power, you can ask after some time in tomorrow's class. Thank you, Anjali. Okay, Rajनीश, you can take the screenshot. I will start it from here today. Rajनीश, take the screenshot. Thank you, Anjali Raj. Yes, Aparajita Singh, tomorrow onwards till Friday 4:30 to 6:30 is the timing. Yes, Deepu Sharma, class is over. You can take leave now. Mukul Gupta, many questions we can do without formula. Many questions. Sometimes you have to use formula if bigger numbers are there. Mukul Gupta, Magro Hill, you can take Magro Hill. Okay, Rajesh Kumar, thank you.